Hello everyone. Today, we will share how to deploy smart contracts to Cube Network. Remix is an open-source web and desktop application. Go to Remix's official website and click Remix I to go into the editing page. Create new file in File Explorer. Edit contract info at the right side. Name the file. Click the file editing code, and I will copy and paste here. Edit the name of the contract you have created. We name it CCTR, for example. After inputting, go into the Integrity Compiler interface. Compile contract. Click Compiler button, Swich UI. Select contract you want to compile. Set compile flags. Click Compile button. Deploy contract to blockchain via wallet, MetaMask for example. Step 1. Set network info in MetaMask. Step 2. Back to Remix. Switch environment. Select contract. Click Deploy button. And then by MetaMask, the contract deployment transaction can be broadcasted to the Cube chain. If you want to know more, follow our channel. Join our Discord and Telegram. Thank you very much.